Today we are going to discuss the most important part is of the English grammar is determiners. Especially for the CBSE board examinations, determiners questions are repeated again and again. For the students who are belonging from the 9th class and 10th class who are desperately want to understand the determiners questions, here we have the definitions. Determiner. Determiner is a word that comes before a noun and noun phrases. A determiner identify whether a noun and noun phrases is general or specific. It always comes before a noun, not after. Also comes before any other adjective used to describe a noun. For example, the bunny went home. I ate the chocolate cookies for dessert. Metal cans are recyclable. The metal cans are recyclable. In every example, determiners comes before a noun or pronoun. In second example, it comes before adjective, like for example, chocolate that describe the noun cookies. Here have the in the third determiner there is no need of determiner before a noun or pronoun because determiners are the optional for pronoun or noun. In the fourth example, determiners here refers a specific noun. For example, the metals can write here. Here we have the next. Thus, through these examples, we can understand the determiners used in the sentences. There are a kind of determiners like articles. Determiners identify the journal or specific, likes an elephant, a picture, the show. Demonstrative. That demonstrative determiners identify a noun that specify the noun like these had, that's had, these had, those had. Indefinite determiners modify a noun in the refer a journal quantity like every bottle, any magazine, some pens. Numeral determiner in that they modify a noun that specify a quantity of the thing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this kind of that quantity. Here we have the definition and some examples, and by these examples we come to know that there is a different kind of forms of the determiners, and we can understand by these examples. And each and every example is specify the determiner position and the use of the determiners, why the determiners is used in the sentence, and what is the what kind of expressions of the determiners we have in the sentence if we use the determiners. So in second example it comes known that we before the adjective chocolates that describe a noun cookies, and these kind of determiners. And in other example we come to know that in third determiner there is a no need of determiners before noun or pronoun before because determiner are the optional for the plural noun or pronoun. In the fourth example, determiner here refers a specific noun. For example, metals can write here. And through this example, we come to understand that determiners used in the sentences. There are kind of determiners like article determiners. Article determiners specially identify the general and specific like an event. When we are talking about a specific thing, and general like an event, a picture, the show. And a demonstrative determiners identify a noun that specify the noun like these had, that had, these had, those had. These kind of things demonstration determiners are used. Indefinite determiners modify a noun in they refers a journal quantity like every bottle, any magazine, some pens. Number determiners in that they modify a noun that specify a quantity. I hope you like this video, which is very important according to the examination point of view of the 9th and 10th class student, and 8th, 7th class students is also going to be faced this kind of questions which are belonging from the determiners. I hope you like this video, and which is very helpful in order to understand the what is the main use of the determiners in the sentences and what is the role of the determiners determiners by expressing the things and actions and feeling and modifications. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.